This is our spare key. Between me and my wife, we've lost this probably about 5 times and had to get a new one. Either we misplaced it, put it under the lawnmower, put it under shovels, contractors misplaced it. Either way, this is the main key to get in and out of our fixer-upper, and if we lose this, we have to end up breaking into our own house, and it looks something like this. In today's video, we're gonna ditch this spare key and install a smart lock on our outside door. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Opening up the package, it comes with the actual smart lock itself, hardware, a USB cable, and some instruction guides. One quick note is as soon as you open it up, it says in the instructions to charge it 3 to 4 hours before installing the lock on the door. So rip it open, go ahead and throw it on the charger, and now we have some time to kill. So instead of waiting around, we're gonna go ahead and pop this lock off right now, do some other stuff, in about 3 to 4 hours, come back, and it should be good to go. The old lock is off and this new lock is ready to go. It's charged. It's been about 3 to 4 hours later. We're gonna install this first, make sure it opens and closes. Then we'll go back and download the app that's recommended for it. It's free, which is a huge bonus. And then on the app, we'll set the passcode, fingerprint, timing, anything to do with this lock, it'll be on that app. So we'll do that later, but let's go ahead and put this in. The hardware for the lock set, and I have the lock right here. Now I need to go ahead and get these bolts out. I don't know whether you guys can see that. It's hooked to this nut right here, this long nut. Instead of taking my screw gun and kind of fighting in here and trying to get it out, it's just a pain in the butt. Instead of doing all that, we're gonna go ahead and pop the knob off. In your packaging that you have, it comes with a bunch of little keys. You're gonna take this key right here, and in this little knob right here, if you can see that, we're gonna go and stick this in, and it should just pop out just like that. And now we can freely undo these bolts, put the lock on, and then easily screw them back into place. The new lock's on, all in time really took about 5 minutes from taking the old lock off and installing the new lock on. Now it's time to download the app. So open up the instruction manual and you'll have a little QR code. Download that app. It's called Smart Life. Again, it's free. There's no in-app purchases or anything that you need to pay for to be able to use this lock. Once you're in, creating an account, click on the Bluetooth button and then also the middle fingerprint button of the doorknob itself. It'll sync through Bluetooth, add devices under the main homepage in the app. From there, once the lock and the app are paired together, you can manually lock and unlock the doorknob on the app itself without setting up any keypads or fingerprint scanners. Now let's get to the good stuff. If you do want to set up fingerprints and permanent key codes, you're gonna click add a member. You're gonna go ahead and scan your finger. You're gonna touch the finger pad about 6 times and make sure you use a different position in your finger so it's be able to read the entire thumb or whatever finger you choose. Once it's set and recognizes your actual thumbprint, go ahead and give it a try. But you're gonna wanna do a 2-step verification. So if the fingerprint scanner ever goes out or doesn't work, you're gonna make sure that you have another way to get into the house. So you wanna incorporate the keypad. It's a 6-digit number. I went ahead and did mine. It's like 142600. I plugged that in, confirmed. Right before closing the door, I just quickly did it and punched it in and the doorknob unlocked, so that's good to go as well. Once I'm set up, I'm gonna go ahead and add another member and get my wife set up. I just go under member management. On the top right corner, there's a little plus sign. I go ahead and click that, and then I'll start adding her information. She's actually here right now, so I'm gonna get her set up with her own fingerprint scan, the passcode set up with whatever passcode she wants. So let me go grab her real quick. So right now, It's locked. So hit add fingerprint. Do it 6 times. Okay, good. And then hit add code, and then you're gonna punch in a 6-digit number, and then
6.
And then that little plus is gonna lock it in.
You don't have to think about it too hard. It could be triple six zeros.
So, okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Plug it into here first. Now do it. Booyah.
It just unlocked.
Yeah. Nice. You're all set, Mama. So when you come in through here, do it again. And then we'll rest. Now you can't get in. Good stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Get out of here.
It only works if you have foam right here. Oh, my arm looks huge.
So that's how you install a smart lock. I really enjoyed putting this in. It's super user friendly. The best thing about it is it's a one-time purchase. You're just paying for the knob, and then everything else, downloading the app, adding members is all free. You can get this right now on Amazon for $49.99. It comes in 3 different colorways. I'll leave the link in the description below. So once you're done with this, go check it out. So that's all we got for tonight. I just completed a project. You should definitely go check it out. I surprised my wife with a secret LED strip to make our kitchen island pop. So this video is right here, so go check that out. But that's it. That's all I got. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.